Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to OPPO A17. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both smartphones and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Xiaomi. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi device and Receive over here on OPPO. In order to choose your files that you wish to send, tap on the chosen ones, or select all of those type of dots from all of those categories and tap on Send over here. I will go with only one file though, so I have to click on this one, choose Send and tap on Got it. On OPPO, tap on one of those options, just close this window, and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!